Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cabbage juice might not be the most appealing thing you want to drink first thing in the morning. The important thing is to drink it immediately after juicing on an empty stomach in the morning, and if you want you can have one more cup 30 minutes before lunch and dinner.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cabbage contains camphorol and glucosinolates, compounds that can be used as a treatment for gastritis and other bacterium that cause stomach ulcers. Regularly consuming cabbage, often done in the form of cabbage juice, can reduce your gastritis by providing anti-inflammatory properties and essential vitamins.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cabbage is a healthful low-calorie vegetable that can be added to your daily diet when trying to shed a few pounds. Proponents of the cabbage soup diet claim it helps you lose up to 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, in just 1 week.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
2 to 3 days. Drink it as soon as possible because once it's juiced it starts to lose nutrients. If stored properly, it can last up to 2 to 3 days, but remember that there are no preservatives in fresh juice, so it can go bad quickly. If you prefer it cold, pour over ice.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
People who drink cabbage juice to help heal ulcers often consume around half a cup around 4 times a day. People often ask, how much cabbage juice is too much? When juicing cabbage you should not drink more than about 4 ounces of cabbage juice at a time, and it is best mixed with other juices such as carrot-apple juice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.